Do you want to lighten your skin using an oil? Do you want to lighten your skin using olive oil and soap? Guys, then watch this video to the end. Yes, this tutorial video will show you how to do your own whitening body oil. This body oil is a 5 times body oil. Please, this oil will lighten your skin, giving you that flawless, that succulent, that skin tone that you are wishing for. Yes, your dream skin tone. Please also endeavor to watch the video to the end. Yes, watch the video to the end. Watch it from the beginning to the end to know all the ingredients I use on this video. Also, subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes, this video is a tutorial video. It will show you how to do your own whitening body oil. So guys, let's get back to my workstation. But remember, this one is a tutorial, so I will show you all the ingredients. So let's get back and what all these ingredients together. Remember to subscribe. Always subscribe to my channel. Also, turn your notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching my video too, and I love you guys. Let's go and watch the video together. God bless you. Guys, let's start to make our body oil, our 5D body oil. But before that, please, we need a clean sanitized bowl or a cup like this. Yes, a clean one, sanitized one, and wipe it very well, please. After washing it very well, then you wipe it and you get your spatula. That one too should be sanitized. Our first ingredient will be our carrot oil. When we talk about carrot oil, what is it? Carrot oil glows the skin, it brightens the skin, it tones the skin, it will give it that glowing effect. Yes guys, so carrot oil is very nice, and we have video over here. Yes, you can also watch the video how to make your own carrot oil. So we are scooping in 300 grams of our carrot oil. Yes, after scooping the 300 grams, put it in your container or your bowl. Put it there. 300 grams of your carrot oil is our first ingredient. 300 grams of our carrot oil. Then you put it there. We are going to add some oils to it. Okay, so our second oil will be our half caste oil. We have the organic one and we have the VigGold one. Please, any of it, get it. We are using 700 grams. This one is our base. Yes, the half caste oil is our base. This one is a large quantity, so you can also measure it in your own capacity and your own quantity. So guys, we are using 700 grams of our half caste oil. It's very good. Half caste oil, VigGold one, is very nice. It glows, it whitens, it's clear, so it's very nice. And our next ingredient will be our olive oil. You can also substitute this one for what? Grapeseed oil. Substitute olive oil for grapeseed oil. Olive oil firms the skin. Yes, so I love olive oil and it glows the skin. I'm using 300 grams of my olive oil. 300 grams of my olive oil. Out to the half caste and the carrot oil, add to it. And our next ingredient will be our whitening glycerin. Whitening glycerin moisturize the skin. Yes, when your skin is dry, it will moisturize it very well. We are using 100 grams of it. 100 grams of our whitening glycerin. Any glycerin of your choice, any whitening glycerin of your choice, please use it. Our next ingredient will be our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil serves as antioxidant and also it clears stretch marks. Yes, we are using 40 grams. And our next ingredient will be our magic kenako or bear eclat kenako, whatever you call it, but I call it bear eclat kenako. I am using 1 bottle of it. I'm using 1 bottle of my bear eclat or magic kenako. 1 bottle of it. Please guys, add to the oil. My next ingredient will be my Shalom stretch marks oil. As the name implies, Shalom stretch marks oil. So it is a stretch marks oil and we are using 1 full bottle, please. Or Larissa stretch marks oil, use 1 full bottle. Our next ingredient will be our propylene glycol. For all the ingredients that we have mentioned to be penetrated into the skin, 35 ml. Our next ingredient will be our whitening activator oil. Whitening activator oil will activate this oil, yes, making it more effective. We are using 100 grams of it. All this oil that I mentioned, please, we are selling some, so you can get some. Pick my number, chat me, and buy all these products and use it. Okay, yes, very nice. We are also having our lavender oil. Add 50 ml of our lavender oil to the oil. Please add 50 ml and stir it very well. After adding all this oil, stir it and bottle it. Use it for 24 hours. You can use it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. I love you guys, and God bless you.